Hey guys, welcome back. It's Money Monkey here, and today we're going to be solving a 2x2. No, just kidding. Today we're going to be solving a 9x9, as you read in the captions. So, well, this is going to take a long time, so I'm going to scramble it, and we'll be right back. Alright, now, as you can see, we got it all scrambled up, and we're going to get to solving. We got my phone right here, and we're going to be using this as a clock. And, well, might as well just get started. In 3, 2, 1, go. So, my goal is to have this be under 2 hours. I know that seems like a long time, and I'm going to edit this video, so hopefully it won't be too long. Maybe just under 10 minutes. So, people who have solved the 9x9 before, I don't know why you're watching this. It's just some random person solving a 9x9. But people who haven't solved a 9x9, I'll try to walk you through some of the steps that you go through. It's kind of like a 5x5. Not really, but kind of. You gotta make a bar like that. See how there's a white bar right there? Then we're gonna turn it sideways, and then we're gonna make the bar on the outside of that. Here we got the second bar, and we're going to put that up to the first, and see how there's 2 bars up there now. And now we're going to go on and solve the white center. The white side is solved. We are moving on to the yellow side, which is an even harder side because you can't what you did to the white side. Here we go. 9 minutes and 57 seconds. Alright, we got the second side done, the yellow side, and we got 4 centers left, and then we move on to the edges. We're at 18 minutes right now. Alright, let's keep going. We're just about finishing up the red center, which is our third center. There we go. So here's the red center, the white center, and the yellow center. Are currently on the last 3 centers, so we're basically halfway through the centers, and then we will move on to the edges. Our time right now is at 26 minutes. So we've improved a lot from our last edge. Alright, here we go. On to the blue edge. I almost forgot to show you guys, but we've got 4 of the winners done. We got the yellow, the white, the blue, and the red. And we're working on orange and green now. And here's where we use a step called contouring, which I'll show you guys later in a tutorial video. Alright, we only got 2 more to fit in pieces that we have to fit in. And so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of contouring. So contouring is basically you line these pieces up. So see how, here, let's move this one. And now, here, we can turn this like this. This one and this one are lined up. And so you just put it down there so it's in its line. And then you also put that piece down. And then you bring your other piece back up and then it lines up so that you can bring that piece up and then that one piece is solved. And you just do that same thing for all the other pieces. Now there's like quicker shortcuts, but especially when you're down to your very last pieces, this is definitely the way to go. And see, just like that, I've solved all the centers to the edges. And right now our current time is 42 minutes and 22 seconds that match up. With the edges, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find like 2 pieces that match up like that, and then you just find all the other pieces, and then it's basically like a big 5x5, because that's how you solve a 5x5, except now there are a lot more pieces to it. And see, we have solved our first edge and all our centers are still intact. So we're going to keep doing this, and I'm going to show you guys how you do the last 2 edges, and I'll also stop at the last 4 edges. When 4 edges are solved, and all 4 edges are solved on this side too, you're going to put one edge down like this, and then you'll have room to put another edge in, and then when you undo, this edge will solve itself again. You're going to want to do that until you have two edges left. So, alright, so we're on our last 2 edges now. Now, the trick to this is, if you know how to solve parity, you just want to get all of them on the same edge, and then you can just do 5x5 parity, and it's really easy. Alright, now we got one more edge parity, and you see this edge has been completely solved, and so the parity algorithm should go like this. And see, just like that, we are on to the 3x3 stage of the 9x9, and we're on an hour and 10 minutes. And our time was an hour, 13 minutes, and 24 seconds. I thought I was going to get well over 2 hours, so I think I did pretty good. And that's it for today's video. And I'm still deciding what I want to do for the next video. Comment down below whether you think it should be a mirror cube solve or a banana cube solve. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.